Cineta? La Cinesta. BF on PARANAQUE. So we're going to La Cinesta restaurant now. Night out. Oh, another bump. I need to watch out for those bumps now with my new exhaust. Huh? I know they don't give a fuck. Normally they should ask us for your license, or if you don't have a sticker, you know, when you get in the subdivision. So yeah, they don't care. Sometimes they will ask for your ID and make sure you're coming back by the same way, but they don't give a fuck. So we're going to La Cinesta restaurant. It's like kind of like a Mexican, something like that, tacos things. The weather is actually getting colder at the moment. December is like 26, 27. It's not cold for me, you know. For Filipino it's cold sometimes. Like the other morning it was actually cold for them. For me it was just amazing, you know. I'm used to have winter time, I'm used to have 2-3 degrees, sometimes 0 or minus, you know. I mean, I spent some winter back in France, minus 14 at night, you know. You finish like, go out of the club at 2 in the morning, it's like minus 14, minus 17. It's just freezing fucking cold. But yeah, it's getting colder, it's nice. Typhoon season should be off very soon now. Should be in a dry, and then winter, summer is like, where is summer? May, June. So yeah, it's gonna be cold until then. It's nice weather. Huh? Turn left there. Okay. I quite like the exhaust. The look of it is very nice. The sound, for me, to be honest, is the same sound as I say in another video. It's exactly the same sound. Oh shit! Sorry. Getting shit now. I actually need a new visor for my helmet. I have a shoei NXR or a shoei XR 1100. That's what I have, which is quite expensive. It's like 3,000 to 4,000 pesos for a fucking visor, you know. I'm gonna have to wait a few more months if I can push it like this, but I need to change. It's like sometimes it's like when it's raining or dark at night, I just don't see anything because it's scratch everywhere. So I just don't see. What? Okay, turn white. So I just don't see anything almost. I mean, I see things, but it's like reflecting, you know, because it's scratch. If you know a good deal, if someone know a good deal to get a shoei visor, where? Wait, just let me know in the comment if you have a good deal. Ah, somewhere here. Wait, I think it's after there, no? I think it's just there on the right, somewhere here. There's actually no sign of the restaurant. It's not lighting properly. Over there? Ah, okay. On the wrong side. Honda motorcycle. Doing advert in the container place. Where is it? Huh? Where? For fuck's sake. Yeah. Oh, you want to queue up? What? Yeah, container stuff. Okay. Don't really want to queue up, I'm hungry. Fuck it. Oh, that was... Really?
Go there
Next time we go there? Okay, that was the place. Just very small on the left. It's too busy, I'm very hungry, you know. I don't want to make... Wait, I'm gonna go with container turf. Container surf. It was nice. Didn't expect to come here today. Shit. But it was nice. Actually, Honda is actually putting some bike there to advert. So yeah, Honda gave me a RS150 to try. Yeah, that would be nice. Food is good. There's a lot of choice. We have a few. I tried to put the price what we have, if I remember. We spent like 1k for everything, something like that, including drinks. It's okay, you know. It's not, can be expensive for people, but if you think about it, if you want to eat nice food and go in a restaurant, you're gonna spend 1k too anyway, or more. And then here you actually get some choices, you know. You can get different choices from everywhere, so it's good. Oh yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Just try to do some random vlog like this, you know, just going out on the night and see what I can basically get out of it. If I get a vlog, then it's good, otherwise I just delete and never upload. That's it. Just let me know what you think. If you've been to surf container surf, if you've been there before. As a chef, you know, I quite like to go to different places and try different. The Indian was very nice. Yeah, dessert was good too. The steak I wouldn't recommend. It's just tough as fuck. The guy we asked for medium rare, but then as always they always cook well done anyway. Don't even know what they're asking you. If okay. Okay. yeah, every time you get a steak, you know, steakhouse like this or place like steak, T-bone, it's don't even ask for the cooking, you know, because you ask for medium well, they give you well done. But apart from the steak, everything else was nice. Yeah, just I would recommend you go there and you try by yourself. Okay guys, ride safe. Bye.
Bonkers.